Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Day with me. Today's lesson is about cardinal numbers. This is lesson number 4. In this video we will talk about cardinal numbers from 0 to 20. This is part number 1. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go! So, we have two types of numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Today, we will focus on cardinal numbers. So, what does it mean, cardinal numbers or cardinals? Let's see. So, cardinal means to count something. To count something or to count set of objects. So look at this picture, look at this boy. Look at his fingers. The boy is what? The boy is counting. The boy is counting. Great. Now let's see these cardinal numbers. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I repeat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I repeat. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20. I repeat. 18, 19, 20. As you see, from 13 to 19, at the end we have teen. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now let's have some practice. Exercise number 1. What number is this? What number is this? 4, 15, 14. I repeat the question. What number is this? 4, 15, 14. The answer is yes. 14. Excellent. 14. Yes. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. How many are there? How many are there? So we have 3 pictures. Try to look at each picture, okay, and count the number. Count the number of stars, number of boats, and the number of apples. Come on. Finish? Yes? Okay, great. Now, let's correct. Picture number 1. 9 cars. Excellent. Yes, it's 9 cars. We have 9 cars, or there are 9 cars. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's move to picture number 2. What is the answer? 13 books. Yes, there are 13 books. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's move to the third picture. So what is the answer? 3 apples. Excellent. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now let's have some music. Let's count numbers from 0 to 20. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Outstanding! Now let's count fast. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job! Now it's time to count faster. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent! Thanks for watching. See you next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, English Day with me. Like and share. Goodbye. See you next.